In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number on your Amazon account. Whether you've recently changed your number or you're just looking to update your contact details for more secure notifications, this process is quick and straightforward. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring each part is clear and simple to follow. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to access your account settings. If you're using the Amazon app, start by tapping the person icon, which is often labeled as Your Account. From there, tap on Account, then move to Account Settings. Within these settings, look for Login and Security. For those of you on the Amazon website, you'll begin by navigating to Your Account. Once there, you should easily spot the Login and Security section. Now that you've reached the Login and Security page, we need to locate the area concerning your mobile number. You'll find a section that's often labeled Primary Mobile Number, or something similar, which indicates the number currently associated with your account. This is what we're going to update. Next, look for an option to edit beside your current phone number. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your new phone number. Make sure to include the correct country code to ensure there are no issues with verification later on. It's crucial to double-check that you've entered everything correctly before moving to the next step. After entering your new phone number, Amazon will send a verification code directly to that number. This step is all about ensuring that the new number is valid and indeed yours. Keep your phone handy, as this code usually arrives swiftly. Once you receive the code, enter it promptly to confirm the change. Occasionally, Amazon might require an additional layer of security. In such cases, be ready to enter your Amazon account password during this process. It's one more step to safeguard your account, and it's always a good idea to have your login credentials at the ready. Finally, to wrap up and save all your changes, look for a Save Changes button or something similar and click it. This step solidifies the update, ensuring that your new phone number is now linked to your Amazon account. And there you have it, a newly updated phone number on your Amazon account, keeping all your notifications, security verifications, and contact information current and correct. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, if you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.